Hello and welcome to Frogty Frog Crochet and this stitch guide on how to crochet the Drunken Granny stitch. So this is a beautiful stitch that is based on the ever so popular granny stitch, except it looks like it's falling over. So to start this stitch, you're going to need a foundation chain in multiples of 5 plus 5 plus 1 for your turning chain. So to start the Drunken Granny stitch, we're going to be making a single crochet in the third chain from our hook. So the turning chain counts as the first stitch. So I put a stitch marker in the first chain from my hook, and that is our first stitch. And then we're going to make a single crochet in each stitch across. So row 1 of the Drunken Granny is single crochet. So this is a nice repeating stitch, and our first 2 rows are setting ourselves up really, and then the rest of the stitch is a repeat of row 3, and then I'm going to be showing you how to straighten off the top edge as well. So I'm just making a single crochet. And single crochet in that last stitch of the. Okay, so I'm going to turn and chain 1. And I'm going to make a double crochet turning chain in the first stitch of the. Let's put a stitch marker in there. Okay. So into the next stitch, we're going making a whole lot of stitches into the same stitch. So into there, I'm going to make 3 double crochet, all in the same stitch. 2, 3. Then I'm going to chain 2, and then still in the same stitch, I'm going to make a double crochet. Okay, so you're going to have like a wedge of double crochet here, and then another here with a chain in between. Now I'm going to skip 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in the next stitch, I'm going to repeat what I just did. So 3 double crochet all in the same stitch. Chain 2, and then still working in the same stitch, make a final double crochet. And because of this chain and double crochet here, these 3 all lean to one side. And that's why it's called the Drunken Granny, because of those leading stitches. So we skip the next 4, 3, 4. In the next stitch, we make a repeat. 3 double crochet all in the same stitch. Chain 2, and double crochet in the same stitch. And that's the repeat all the way across. 3 double crochet, chain 2, double crochet all in the same stitch, skip 4 stitches, and then repeat. So I'm going to skip 4, 3, 4, then make a final wedge, and you should have 3 stitches left after your last Drunken Granny stitch. Chain 2, and double crochet in the same stitch. Okay, so 3 stitches left. We're simply going to skip 2 and then make a double crochet in the last stitch of the row. It's in my turning chain, which is a little bit tight, but double crochet into there. And that is row 2. So now we're set. So now we get to do row 3, and after that will be repeating. Okay, so we're going to turn and chain 1. You're going to make a double crochet turning chain in the first stitch. Move my stitch marker up. So we're only going to be working in the chain 2 spaces from now on. So in these spaces here. And into there, we're going to make the Drunken Granny. 3 double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, all in the same stitch. Chain 2, and 1 double crochet. So it's going to lean in the opposite direction to the row below. Okay, there are no stitches in between our Drunken Grannies at this point. We're just going to go straight to the next chain 2 space. And again, make 3 double crochet. Chain 2. And double crochet, all in the same chain space. Okay. And then skip straight to the next chain space over here. So we're skipping all of these stitches here and just going to the chain spaces and make 3 double crochet, chain 2, and into the same chain space, another double crochet. And you're going to do that for all your chain spaces across the row. So I've got my last chain space over here. I'll make my Drunken Granny, 3 double crochet, chain 2, and then double crochet in the same stitch. Okay, so we've got these last 4 stitches here. We're going to skip 3 and make a double crochet in the last stitch. Okay, and there's the Drunken Granny stitch. So the rest of this is a repeat of row 3. Okay, so just repeat the row we've just done all the way until you have as many rows as you need. But then of course this top isn't straight. So how do we finish it off? Okay, so your finishing row for the Drunken Granny. I'm going to turn and chain 1. I'm going to make a single crochet in that first stitch. So we're going to finish the way we started with a row of single crochet. Okay. We're going to make 2 double crochet. Sorry. In the double crochet here, we're going to make a single crochet. And then in the chain space, we're going to make 2 single crochet. Then we're going to make a single crochet in the next 2 double crochet. We're not going to make one in the third here. It just dips down too much. And we need to make sure our stitch count comes straight. So skip the next double crochet, which is the third of the Drunken Granny. And make a single crochet in the next double crochet. And that's the single double crochet, that stitch. Make 2 double crochet, 2 single crochet in the chain 2 space. And then make a single crochet in each of the next 2 double crochet. Skip that third one. So we skip the next double crochet and make a single crochet in that lone double crochet of the Drunken Granny. And repeat that across. So to make 2 single crochet in the chain space, a single crochet in each of the next 2 stitches, which are double crochets. Skip the next stitch, make a single crochet in the next stitch, and make 2 single crochet in the chain space. Single crochet in the next 2 stitches, skip the last one, and single crochet in the next, which in this case is the last stitch of the row. And that's how you square off your Drunken Granny. And there is your stitch guide on how to crochet the Drunken Granny stitch. I would love to see what you make with this pretty stitch. Please do come and show us over in our Facebook group, Frogty Frogs Ribbit and Stitch. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel as well for more crochet stitches, crochet tips and hints, and free patterns as well. So thank you for watching, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye for now.